guys, welcome to AP Workshops. We're going to do another one of our little walk-arounds, our little sort of tech tip things. It's just a little something that Snock saw the other day that he thought we might want to share with you. So I'm going to hopefully show you kind of a little bit of a sort of a bench security thing that, that might help you. So welcome back, welcome to AP Workshops. This is the tech tip that sort of, it's not a tech tip as such, but it's a little something that kind of I've been doing for years and years and years that Snock said was a great little idea. Share it, okay, why not? So, job is, we've got, ride the bike in onto the bench, we're going to change some brand new grips over, and we're going to change the bar ends. So we've been into stock, available in the shop, brand new grips. What a great little modification to make to your bike, makes your bike feel new. But we're going to change these for some fresh, put some genuine bar ends back on to change for that one, because it's a Twino racing and I want to keep it nice and stock. But what it was, it's just a simple little thing. When your bike's sort of static and on its stand, we've got some old bicycle inner tubes that we've just cut into little loops, and effectively what they do is just sit over your brake lever and hold your bike and stop your bike from moving backwards and forwards because the front brake's on. It's just one of those things that really helps. Give it a try. We've got a couple. Just cut up an old inner tube, give it a whirl. Let us know what you think. Let us know in the comments down below, is it worthwhile or not? I use it, I don't care, but basically let us know. If you like what you see, give us a subscribe. Thanks very much to everybody that has subscribed recently. Thank you very much for watching what's going on. If you need anything, if you've got any comments, if you want to, leave a message below or get in touch with us via an email. The email is sales@apworkshops.co.uk, or you can contact us via Facebook, or you can give us a call, go old school, give us a call on the phone. Okay, thanks very much.